Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to create a quick in-depth review about this high yield saving bank, which is VIO Bank. So let's dive into it. VIO Bank offers a straightforward high yield savings account with one of the better interest rate compared to traditional bank, along with no monthly maintenance fee. Opening an account only requires an $100 minimum deposit, and since it's FDIC insured through Mid First Bank, your money is safe and secure. The account is designed for people who prefer online banking with mobile deposit and a simple platform that makes saving easy without unnecessary extras. So on the downside, VIO Bank lack conveniences like ATM access, a debit card, or bills pays, and withdrawal are limited to 6 per month with a $10 fee for extras. Some users also find the mobile app and customer support less published compared to bigger online banks. Overall, it's a good option if you want a no-frill online only savings account with strong interest rate, but if you value flexibility and more features, alternative like Harley or Marcos may be a better fit for you. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. Turn on the notification button and subscribe for more reviews.